do you know when you're in LA, babe?
You're stuck in traffic.
Freaking LA traffic. Garbage. Go ahead. You're not going to talk? I have to talk? What's up, everyone? So, you've put up with us for, how long has it been? Almost a year? Almost a year, and all we've been filming with on this channel, for the most part, has been a GoPro Hero 7. We're still not making any money at this. I don't think we plan to do that anytime soon, but we appreciate the support. And so for the first time, we've made a little bit of an investment in this channel, but also really just to have something for fun to play around with. And playing around with it in the store has been pretty neat. So I'm a big Sony guy. I bought the Sony A7 when it first came out. It's been an incredible camera. I still haven't upgraded it. It is fantastic for photos. It's a full frame, mirrorless camera. It really is the turn of when Sony started making good gear. And Sony had another product that really is built for vlogging. It is this ZV-1, and you know, the Sony makes the RX100, which I don't like for photography personally because the sensor just isn't big enough. I like taking really nice photos, quality lenses, as big a sensor as I can get. But for vlogging, I like compact. In general, I like the lightest, smallest things possible when I have to travel or carry stuff around. And the GoPro Hero 7 has been great, but the sensor kind of sucks in low light. It's actually really bad. Plus, you've got the fixed length lens. You can do kind of wide or linear, but that's about it. And the autofocus could be better. So really, the Sony ZV-1 was built for exactly this purpose of talking on a YouTube channel. And I didn't really want to buy it when we first started the channel. I wanted to see, you know, what YouTube was about and whether we could do something that people would enjoy without having to spend money, really just figure out if we're any good at this first. But, you know, I think that we've done well enough that it makes sense to spend a little money. And plus, I think this will be, oh, she already broke it. It'll be really fun to play around with this and see how it goes. So, if you're watching this, you'll be getting a bit of an upgrade soon, hopefully, in terms of the video quality and how things look. And I guess the first video is the fact that we bought this, and we'll open it up and we'll maybe tell you about it. I don't know. I'm not really big on electronic reviews. I don't really want to tell you all the features and everything, but I will give an overall impression of, you know, if it's actually good at what it was built for. I think that those kind of reviews go a lot further than specs. So we bought this at Best Buy, which is right here, and we got it on sale, and we got a vlogging kit which includes a grip. I think it's a Bluetooth grip, so you can hit things like record without having to use the camera, which is funny because from what I've heard, even though this camera has a touchscreen that you can see yourself in, you can't actually use the touchscreen to hit the record button. So those are the type of games that Sony plays to get you to spend a little bit more money. But I think this was originally an $850 camera that we got for $699, and this is normally a $150 vlogger kit that came bundled together for an extra $100. So we spent $800 total. I think it'll be worth it for the use that I expect we'll get out of it. So we'll mess around with it, and more to come, right? All right, so here we go. We're gonna open it up. It's actually a very small box as Sony products go. I was expecting a little bit bigger, but there's also probably not a whole lot in here. All right, so we've got the camera. Looks really nice. Some people have said it's not that well built, but I think it looks like it's going to be pretty durable. No battery in it. So we've got the little kind of microphone. I don't know what you call these, a dead cat? A micro USB cable, because nobody uses these anymore, that's I think another flaw with this camera, is everybody's gone to USB-C, but Sony has not. And I can get to it. One battery. I think I'm gonna probably need to buy more of these. I have a feeling this is not gonna be sufficient. Let's see if it's got a charge though. Relatively intuitive how it works, because I'm seeing this for the first time and I was able to figure the battery out. Do we have life? Oh, we have life. It's asking me to select a language before it's extending the lens. Oh, come on, set date time. Oh, you can pick a region. San Francisco, Tijuana, daylight savings. Oh, but now I gotta pick the time. This always ruins the fun. What time is it? $11:40. I don't know what this is doing, to be honest. I'm just gonna say okay. We're just gonna get past this. Enter, 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 enter. Menu. Let me take a picture. Oh, there we go. No card. Flip out screen, and the whole point of this is to be able to do that. So now you can see you recording me, recording you, but I'm not recording you yet. Anyway, I think that's good enough. We'll figure this out. Bye-bye. Interesting. So it's not as stabilized as I thought it would be walking around. Let's see. What's up, everyone? It's our first time using our new vlogging camera, and we've got something to share, or I've got something to share. So we're in Old Town Pasadena. We're on vacation for the week visiting family, and I picked up something at a consignment store called 2nd Street. And 2nd Street basically sells used clothes, and I got something that was a crazy good deal. What did I get? Here, you'll be the videographer here. Can you see it? You can flip it around. Just flip the screen around. There we go. All right. So, can you see my shoes? I'm wearing the acronyms. And what did I get? I got a Stone Island. Oh, this is on it's on product focus. So let's see if this works. Can you see that? Does it focus on that?
Yes, it does.
It is a white tiger camo with Primaloft. I don't know what this was originally. I'm guessing it was like easily over $1,000, probably like $1,200-1,300, I would guess, because of how crazy it is. And the best part is I picked this up for, let's try this. So face in focus. Does it focus on that instead? Is it picking it up?
Not yet.
No? You probably can't get too close or it won't be able to see it. You can't read it?
I think you can.
Oh, we're figuring the camera out. No? Yes?
Yeah.
No?
No, it's too bright. There's too much back.
Oh, alright. Well, here, let me try. Let's see what I can do. Trying to read it through this. $259.50 less 10%. I think they gave that to me just because I was nice to them. So after tax, $257 out the door. That's freaking awesome. So how's it look? What do you think?
That's cool.
That's it? Cut up or down? So this was I'm gonna try the product focus. So this was a little bit beat up in areas that pick up wear, like that. You see it's got a little bit of fuzz. Can you see it? Does it come out? A little bit worn there, a little bit worn up here. You could tell it has been used, but for the most part, the areas that you care about, like the stripes themselves, are actually quite durable, and the inside of this is actually pristine. I mean, I don't think that picks up wear very easily, but looks really good. So this was a fantastic pickup. Only problem is what?
You don't have the patch.
No patch. No patch here. No patch there. So I gotta swipe one from one of my other jackets. What's up? How's it look on the whole though? Can you see the whole outfit? Does it match? Good find?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. See you at the next one. Say bye.
Bye.